My name is Jack. My job title is an engineering intern. I would say it's a very good learning experience. There's a lot of different routes that an intern could go. You're not going to be stuck doing one thing the entire summer. Today we basically did culvert inspections to start, and then after that we did wall inspections. For culvert inspections, we look for some sort of defect. For walls, we're again looking for defects. If there's cracks, balls, efflorescence, or any kind of defect, maybe a washout, or maybe there's gonna be some drainage issue or a clogged drain somewhere. I like how open the hours are. You can choose whenever you want. You're gonna be outside the entire time. I get to work with coworkers that I like. Yeah, just a good overall experience.